These playful pups are like little sunshine bombs, lighting up the entire screen with joy. The way this dog bounds around so freely makes my heart feel weightless. This video is overflowing with puppy cuteness. I can't get enough. I could watch these tail-wagging fluff balls all day and still smile every time.
Max, come here. Who did this? Who did this?
There's just something magical about the way puppies explore the world.
He's gonna break his leg when he falls on his back.
I didn't know happiness had a face until I saw these dogs play.
Please scoot over. I need more space. No, please.
These doggies are like therapy on 4 legs. Watching this dog zoom around with excitement gives me a boost of energy. I can't decide what's cuter, the floppy ears or the wiggly tail.
Just like we go on walkies by their house, and it's okay. Yeah, he just wants to go.
Every pup in this video deserves a gold medal for cuteness. These adorable dog moments are better than coffee for a morning pick-me-up. These tiny paws and big personalities are just irresistible. Dogs like these remind us to enjoy the little things in life. I can feel the joy through the screen every time these puppies play.
This just says I can do what I want.
Who needs a comedy show when you have dogs this funny?
Follow them blindly, okay? And if you have a problem with that, then you can talk to our complaint department.
It's impossible to watch this without saying, "Oh," at least 10 times. That goofy dog smile just made my whole day better.
What are you doing? You little rascal. What are you, some kind of piranha? Yeah. What are you doing?
That little nose sniffing around is cuteness overload. Every tail wag feels like a hug from a fluffy friend. These little mischief makers are the highlight of my timeline.
What are you doing?
The way this pup looks at the camera feels like a warm cuddle. Dogs really are the kings and queens of spreading happiness. Watching dogs be their goofy selves is pure joy.
Buddy, goodbye.
That sleepy puppy yawn just made me melt inside. I live for these moments of carefree dog happiness. I need a loop of this puppy running in slow motion forever. This little puppy just taught me how to enjoy lift run, roll, repeat.
Good.
Puppies being curious about the world is the most wholesome thing ever. These pups are a perfect reminder to live playfully and love deeply. A world with dogs is a world full of joy. Each dog has its own quirky personality, and I love them all.
Good girl. Yes, you are.
That moment when the puppy tried to catch its tail, priceless.
What the heck?
My heart can't
trying
take how
everything we can.
adorable
Look at
these
those
little
ears.
dogs are.
He's
These playful pups have the kind of energy I wish I had every day. The way they tumble and roll is like watching a cartoon come to life. There's no drama here, just pure doggy joy and fluff. These adorable dogs are stealing hearts and snacks. You can't watch this and not smile. It's doggy magic. Who else is watching this on repeat and smiling like a goof?
Your nails. Let me clip your nails.
These dogs could melt even the iciest heart. The way this pup plays with its toy is too precious for words. Every second of this dog footage is a serotonin boost.
oh.
These fluffy comedians just turned my bad day into a great one.